In this video, we uncover how alpine trees survive at the edge of existence, what secrets are locked inside their twisted trunks, and why their survival matters more than we ever imagined. Alpine trees grow near the tree line, the highest elevation where trees can survive before conditions become too harsh. This zone exists in major mountain ranges such as the Alps, Himalayas, Rockies, Andes, and Karakoram, forming a fragile boundary between forests and barren peaks. Above this line, temperatures drop to extreme lows, winds become relentless, and the growing season shrinks to only a few short weeks each year. Below it, forests thrive with dense growth and richer soil. Right at the edge, alpine trees fight a constant battle for survival, enduring conditions that push plant life to its absolute limits. These trees do not grow fast. In fact, some alpine trees take decades just to gain a few centimeters in height. This slow growth is not a weakness, but a survival strategy, allowing them to conserve energy and strengthen their structure in an environment where every resource is limited. If you have ever seen alpine trees, you may notice something unusual about their appearance. They are often short, bent, or leaning sideways, shaped by powerful natural forces over time. This form is mainly caused by three factors: wind, snow load, and cold temperatures. At high altitudes, wind never truly stops, so trees grow low and compact to avoid snapping under constant pressure. Heavy snow presses branches downward for months at a time, meaning flexible branches survive while rigid ones break. Cold temperatures slow down cell division, limiting vertical growth and making alpine trees look old even when they are relatively young. Some even grow in a flag-like shape, with branches only on one side, permanently sculpted by decades of wind. Among the most famous alpine survivors are pine trees, especially stone pine and whitebark pine, which dominate many high-altitude regions. Their needle-shaped leaves reduce water loss and resist freezing temperatures. Spruce and fir trees thrive just below the highest tree lines, where their cone-shaped form allows snow to slide off instead of piling up and breaking branches. In the Himalayas, the Himalayan birch marks the final tree line before open alpine meadows begin, beyond which trees simply cannot survive. One of the most remarkable alpine trees is the bristlecone pine, with some individuals over 4,800 years old, making them among the oldest living organisms on Earth. Alpine trees also possess biological adaptations that seem almost unreal. Their cells contain natural antifreeze proteins that prevent ice crystals from damaging tissues. Their needles remain year-round, allowing them to begin photosynthesis the moment conditions improve. Their roots spread wide rather than deep, gripping shallow rocky soil like claws to stay anchored during storms and landslides. Most importantly, alpine trees enter a deep dormancy during winter, shutting down almost completely to conserve energy until the short summer returns. These trees do far more than simply survive. They protect entire mountain ecosystems by stabilizing slopes and reducing landslides. They trap snow and regulate how meltwater flows into rivers below. Without alpine trees, downstream flooding would increase, water supplies would become unpredictable, and life far beyond the mountains would be affected. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of alpine trees, subscribe for more stories hidden in nature's extremes.